Barbers, come with me to Home Depot. This will be a great opportunity to show you guys where we get our toolboxes, why we use them, and I'm going to show you two different price options, one expensive and one that just fits the budget. Starting off with the most expensive one. This is a 61-inch toolbox that includes a tan tabletop, blacked out all around with about 15 storage options, which is more than enough for us in the barbershop. If you can't fit everything in here, then you need a bigger toolbox. For the main drawer, you can fit around like 30 clippers, 15 trimmers, 10 shavers, plus any extra equipment to complete the service. You do get a key that locks only your toolbox. That way, all your equipment is protected from any theft or any coworkers that want to use your latest and greatest clippers. The price on this is a little hefty, costing around $900 US, but check this out. It also comes with 6 outlets on the side, plus 2 USB charging ports. That way you can charge all your clippers, plus any other accessories that you may have on your station. Moving on to what I believe is the number one reason why we use these in the barbershop, and it is that this table is extremely durable. You can drop almost anything on it and it will hold up like a champ. You can add a water bottle on top and you won't get any water stains. The only thing I will say is be careful with color because it will stain. And I almost forgot, they have wheels, guys, that lock. Moving on to a more budget friendly option, this Husky is a 42-inch toolbox. It comes with 8 drawers. You still get that tan tabletop, coming out to $300 US. The biggest loss you take with this one is that it does not come with the built-in charging ports that has the 6 outlets plus the 2 USBs, but you still get that quality that Husky provides, and let us not forget, you still get the wheels.